Hi there, today we are replacing this burnt out brake light. This is a 2012 Honda Odyssey, and what you're going to need is one of these 7443 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description, and then just a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. The first step is to remove these two Phillips screws. Okay, with these two screws removed, we're now going to be pulling this assembly out. There's two prongs here that you're going to have to kind of wiggle out. So you want to put one hand here and your other hand on the back here and just give it a firm wiggle. You can see there's a prong here and a prong there, and those two are what's stuck in here. Alright, so this top one here is your turn signal, and the bottom one here is your brake light. You don't need to disconnect this. You can just twist this and pull out your bulb. Alright, so you're going to want to hold this and just give this a firm yank. And then slide the new one in. You can hear it click. And then you want to put this in here and lock it into place. And when you're putting this back in, the biggest thing is just to line these two prongs up with these two holes right here. Give it a firm push. Replace these two Phillips screws and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.